Recording, yes, yes, sir, it will get started. Okay, so
Okay.
what we discussed last time? So we were discussing on FIMM integration. We got some error last week, right? So while posting a transaction goods issue, correct?
Right. Right.
Okay, so um, OBYC. So OBYC is a transaction where we assign the GL accounts between FIMM. Okay, so here we assign the GL accounts. So last week what happened? Do you know? What is our company code, sir? ACOA, right?
AM0.
Amazon.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Start off account. Yes, sir.
So last time what happened, instead of this one AROH, I was trying to assign the different one. If you look at here, spacebar, I was trying
Okay.
to
We
assign
are
the
also.
different evaluation class. It should be
Okay.
our relevant asset evaluation class. అందుకే
Okay.
మనకి ఎర్రర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు.
Okay.
Okay, that's the only reason. ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
ఇది delete చేసేసి, if you want to see the again, if you want to see, I'm just deleting it. Okay, save it. This is not ours. Let us try to post again goods issue transaction. So Control F. Um, Amazon. So Amazon group, double click here, continue. Okay, so let us try to, so let before that, we'll see what is ME2023N. So this is, anyone remember what is our slash O FBL 3N? I'm trying
GL.
to, I'll tell you. Okay, AM01, right? Amazon India Private Limited. Here I'm trying to know material number. I don't remember the material number. So I'm just going to the GL accounts list. So we have inventory account, right? So open the inventory account, inventory raw material account. So this is not coming in sequence. This is not in sequence. So inventory raw material. So here we have inventory raw material. Now I want to know what is my material. Okay. So it is, we posted something goods issue also posted. Got, let us take this one itself. So this is our material, correct? 26. So I want to know slash OMM03. What is my total stock? What is pending and everything? Control V. So here click on organizational levels, change your plant and also your relevant store location. Click on continue. Here you can see under accounting one view tab, here accounting one tab, you can see the total stock is 9. Okay, the total stock is 9 and the price is 200. Okay, the total inventory value is 1800. Okay, so 9 to the 18, 1800. Fine. So now let us issue. Okay, let us issue from this 9, we'll issue 2 quantity to the cost center department. So go to the slash O M I G O. It's a goods issue. Okay, goods issue. It's a others. Click, select your relevant movement. I mean movement type, which is 201. 201 is consumption for cost center from warehouse. So basically you're issuing the goods to the cost center department from the warehouse. So 201 movement type. So here you have to select your relevant. This is your our M01 related material, press enter. When I press enter, system automatically copy all the parameters, moment type and everything else here. Scroll down. So here quantity, how much quantity you want to issue to the department, cost center department, I want to issue 2. Okay, where, from which plant? From this plant, M01 storage from this plant. You can mention your goods issue as a description. Account assignment. So system will expect cost center. That's the reason system is showing here red color. So cost center. So what is the accounting document you're expecting here? Accounting document is, where is our sheet, sir? Okay. goods issue. So at the time of goods issue, the accounting document is raw material consumption account. Okay, this will get debited, and your raw material consumption to you are reducing your inventory, right? So if you look at here, we already posted the document here. See here, you can see raw material consumption. Okay, raw material consumption, and you are reducing your inventory, so it's getting credited. This is inventory, raw material. Okay, from the stock, from the storage location, from the inventory, whatever the story, we have total 11, sorry, 9 quantity, right? So 9 quantity, which is raw material store under our plant, under storage location, we have 9 quantity. We are issuing to the cost center department. So you're reducing to stock. So this is in accounting entry. This will ask you expenses account, which is cost center. Definitely we should assign cost center here. So let us go ahead and assign it. Click on check. So here system is throwing, see if you look at here, AROH, VBR, GBB. Okay. So this is our chart of accounts. This is our transaction key. Okay. Where is the transaction key? This is a transaction key, GBB, offsetting entry for inventory posting. So one side of debit or credit entry will have this entry. Other side will have another GL account. Okay. So system under ACO under GBB. So hyphen VBR. So system is expecting here VBR as a general modification key. So it is a prefixed by SAP only. Okay. So here you have to enter VBR. Here valuation class VROH account. So select your account.
HANA ARO.
ARH is nothing but your oh, see, again the same mistake I've done like last time. It should be AROH account. So what should be our account? Raw material consumption account. We already created raw material consumption account. So it should be under expenses. So it's here 3006. Save it. Continue. So come back to the goods issue. Continue. Check. So that issue has been resolved. That issue, whatever the issue we got, that has been resolved. So how much quantity I'm issuing? 2 quantity. Click on post. So document got posted successfully. But so one more error was there. What was the error? I'll tell you. So goods issue here. Okay, go to the display document. So this is your 986 goods issue, right? Goods issue department. I mean, sorry, execute it. Click on document information. Click on FI documents. Here you can see the accounting document 1502. So raw material consumption, today's 28 only, right? Raw material consumption 200 into 2 units 400. So you can see raw material consumption and inventory raw material. Fine. If you go back and see your material master, what happens? This will reduce to 7. Refresh it. Refresh. There is no option here. Come back again. Press. Don't press enter. Go with the organizational levels. So this is AM01. Story location also AM01. Default setting. Continue. So go back to the accounting one. So here you can see 7 quantity. Is that clear? So 1400. 2 into 7, 1400. Price unit is 200. But we are learning only moving average price. Now I'll show you one more scenario under moving average price. Okay. So you have 7 quantity and with the unit price is 200. Okay. Which is 1400. This is your inventory value. This is inventory value IV. This is your inventory quantity. Okay. This is price unit. Okay. Is that clear? This is what we have in the middle master. We are using moving average price method. Now what I'll do, I will purchase few more materials. Okay. Slash OME21N. Supplier. Anyone remember what is a supplier?
Blue dot.
Blue data, but blue dot is this one? No.
3011. No. 35403011.
Okay. Press enter. Yeah, blue dot services. Very good. So just close all the. So if I want to understand very clearly, right? So this is your purchase standard purchase order. You are entering your blue dot services header. So under header only system will ask you organizational data. We already created purchasing organization. We already created company code also. If you want to create your own purchasing group, you can create it. No worries. But just using standard one. So this is done. Just close this one and open your item overview. Now you have to mention which metals you are purchasing from this supplier. So I'll give the same material here. So system will update text automatically. Here what I'll do, the quantity in our it is in our middle master, how much quantity we have? 7. So let us purchase 4 quantity. Okay. Net price now it is 200. So let me purchase with 300. So 300 into 4, how much sir it is? Material group, plant, and your storage location. Not V01 sir, it is AM01. Okay. So now go back to the, this is also done. Press enter. So how much, again see, when I entered 300, system automatically changing this value. I have entered here 300, right? So again system is picking from the metal master as 200 price.
200.
But
Yeah.
no, but you have an option here. Instead of changing here, this is your main condition pricing elements. If you want to change here, you can change it here. Then only system will change automatically from there also. So 300, press enter, press enter. So system automatically updates the value here 300. So 300 into 4 quantity, which is 200. Here also got changed. Okay. So what which should happen? Now what I'm trying to do is I'm purchasing 4 quantity with 300, which is equal to 200 here. So your metal master, what happens we'll see. So now click on check mode, display messages. Where is check? Check. Click on check. So no messages issued during check. So we have entered all the details. Click on save. Okay. So 1943. So go to the goods receipt slash o migo. So material. Okay, sorry. Here we have to enter goods receipt. Goods receipt against purchase order. I want to receive from the purchase order. So enter your 19. What was the entry? Is it 43? Yeah, AM01. Today only we entered. That is fine. Click on execute. So we got the details. Click on OK. So this is not getting updated. We'll see. Scroll down. Here you have this one. Item OK. Click on quantity. So we are receiving 4 quantity from the vendor. Okay. Where? To this plant, to this storage location, goods receipt, purchase order, against this purchase order we are receiving the goods, partner, account assignment. This is coming from your metal master. Click on check, click on post. So I am receiving quantity 4. If you want to see this 2525, go here, display. So it will update automatically. Click on display. So document information, click on FI documents. So double click here. So you can see here now inventory to GRIR account 1200. If you want to see how much quantity, he can see here. Quantity will get updated. No, it is not updating. We can get the field also, but fine. We can add one more field here under inventory. We can get that respective field status from the field status group. We can get quantity also along with the material. Okay, so this is fine. Now we'll see what happened to the material master. Where is the material master? Yep, here. Come back. So it got posted, right? 1200. So go back to your Excel sheet, it is 1200. Okay. So here what I'm trying to tell you is go back to Metal Master. What happened to Metal Master? Guys, you are able to understand what I'm doing here? At least whatever I have done, at least understood, right? Hello.
Yes, Anna.
So I'm just continuing this one. Click on accounting one tab. So this is interview question. Okay. Now you see earlier 7 was there. So added 4 quantity. So 11 quantity. Okay. And now this became 2600. Why? Why 2600 it became? So this is 2000 plus 600. This is fine. 2600. Okay. And quantity, it is the total quantity. Total quantity how much is, sir? 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 quantity. So what is this? So if you look at, if you calculate 236.36, system is averaging 236.36. How it is averaging? So is equal to total value divided by total quantity. Is that correct, sir? Total quantity divided by total quantity. Is that okay? So this method is called moving average price. Any questions?
No, no.
So basically, you're purchasing materials from the different vendors, right? Metal master is same. You're purchasing material from the different vendor masters with the different prices. So obviously, your metal master will change, right? Your price, metal master price will get changed. So, but this method is called moving average price method. That's the scenario we had seen. Now we should understand standard price. Now let us create one more material with a standard price. We'll see what happens. Same what we have done for moving average price, we'll see the scenario for standard price also. But have you understood the moving average price? Yes or no,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes, Anna.
exit. So what I'll do, I'll create one more MM01. I'm creating one more material. So here material type is AROH, or else we can create it from here only. Okay. Okay, I don't see the number here. I don't remember also. Industry mechanical. Now material. So I think internal only, right? It's an internal number range. So click on select views. So all these are not required, but we'll see. International is not required. All these are not required. Only purchasing related we need. These are not required at all. Click on default setting. Close this one. Click on organizational levels. This is fine. Click on continue. So, so system by default it has to be the next number. It's an internal number. Someone has created inventory masters need to be created internally. So if they have created externally, then they have to give the number. You have to give number on your own. Okay, now let us give description. Raw material for M01. This is for standard price material. Okay, so unit of measure same. Metal group also same. So there is no change. Just keep the same parameters. Click on basic to data. So here also there is no nothing. If at all, if you are missing something, system will throw the error. No need to worry about that. Click on purchasing. So this also same. Click on next one. Here also nothing. Just press enter. So system is asking profit center under plant data. Okay. Give the profit center. Press enter. So accounting one view tab. This is important for us. So as of now, we don't have any stock. Scroll down. So here, what I will do, we'll see what are the parameters we have. You have to change the price control. This is first important thing. Now we need to understand what is standard price here or how it works. Price unit per one. So for 1 unit, how much price that we have to maintain here. Press enter. So the valuation price of the metal is 0. So system is expecting some value. Press enter. Scroll down. I'm trying to save this one. We'll see. Yeah. So it is asking for us. Okay. Just give something as 300. Press enter. Local currency convert to other currencies. Yes, that value will get converted here. Okay. This has been converted from INR to USD. So in the standard price, I had given 300. Click on save. So we created one material with standard price 300. So price is 300 here. Quantity, as of now, zero quantity, and the value also zero because we don't have any quantity. Now let us create purchase order with this material. So do we have purchase order anywhere? No. Here we have. So supplier same. So material, this is 28. Okay. And PO quantity, let us give something as 5. And net price, I will not give price same as standard price. Let us give something a different price. We'll see what happens. So we had given 300. Here we let us give something 500. Okay, 500. Currency INR. So material group same, plant also same, your storage location also same. Okay, so here I hope this is fine. Come back to the item details. Here you can give India. So conditions as invoice. Select invoice based and GR based also. Click here. So someone has changed again, I think. Mm, okay, let us change the. Otherwise, system will throw tax related errors. What we'll do? We'll go to the SPRO slash N SPRO IMG. Let us our let us select our related tax procedure. Global settings, tax and sales and purchases, basic settings. So as an country to calculation procedure, someone has locked. So what we'll do? Slash O SM12. This one closed. This is closed. Click on search. Select your, delete all the entries. Go back to the, go back to the assign country to calculation procedure. I want to assign for our country our own GST procedure. So someone has created one more procedure. So what is ours is AM01 GS. Click on continue. Have you done testing on the GST, Khalil and team?
Yeah, Anna.
Okay, good. That's good. So we have assigned that one. Go back to the purchase order. So press enter once. We'll see whether it comes or not. So go to the conditions, invoice. So I'll put it here as select. We have only 4 tax codes. So give AM0 6%, 6%. I think I had given AC. Select here conditions. So 500. So system is whatever the price has been entered here 500, it's coming here 500, but it's not picking from the purchase or middle master. Whatever the value we are entering, it's getting updated here. 500 into 500 into 5, 25. So 2500. So select check once. Some. Okay. So in the header we have not entered anything. M01. This also you should change to purchasing group 001. So check again. So we have two more. Tax code AC procedure L01 is purchase order still contains. So this is not our invoice, sorry, tax procedure. So system A1. Sorry, we were, why this is ours only, right? AC, press enter. Now it's working. So click on check again. Why? LE01 is invalid. Tax code AC in procedure LE01 is invalid. So someone has changed, immediately I updated or what? Country, IN. This is okay. But what is LE01, sir? Hmm. Why, from where you are getting this LE01? Click on continue. Press enter. This is strange for me. Taxes. Yep. This is okay. This is okay. That is fine. It's calculating. But from where you are getting this LE01? Tax code AC in procedure L is invalid. Okay. In LE01, tax code AC is invalid, it seems. Why we need to worry for other procedure? Don't understand. Okay, I'll cancel the transaction. Let me reprocess because we changed the tax process in between, right? So let us try one more time. Otherwise, we'll see what is the issue. ME21N, double click here. So enter all the details. Supplier, material is 28 and short text, don't enter short text. Give 5 here. Net price is 500. Currency is INR. Metal group is 01. Plant is M01. Storage location also give as M01, what we created. And just press enter. So under header M01, this also group, and go back to the tax code. Tax code, we want our own relevant is, so instead of AC01, I'll give this another input tax AI. I hope it should work. So click on GR based invoice verification, press enter. So now I don't see, looks like any errors, but we'll see. So click on check. So no issues, no messages issued during check. The only thing what we need to understand is here. So the price, whatever the price we maintained in the metal master is different from the purchase order price. In the metal master, how much price we maintained? 300, right? So 300. So this is in the material master. But in PO, how much we entered, sir? PO we entered as quantity 5 and this is 500 and this is your 2500 total inventory value as per purchase order. Now let us go ahead and click on save. So 1944 slash OMIGO, which is goods receipt against purchase order. Select your goods receipt here and select your purchase order as 1944. Press enter or you can click on execute option. Now material, now material is 28, that's correct. Quantity, so 5%, 5 quantity I want to receive from where, which location, from which one, it's already updated. Goods receipt, purchase order, against this purchase order I'm receiving, all these details are same. Click on OK, click on check. Document is OK, click on post. So system is throwing error now. Why? Because there is a price difference. PRD means price difference. Go back to your so if you look at here PRD transaction. So PRD, okay. PRD means price differences. Do you agree? There is a price difference between purchase order metal price and purchase, I mean, even standard price in metal master. That's the reason system is asking some price difference GL account. Double click here. So we need to assign your PRD GL account. So click on valuation class and click on accounts. So save the rules first. Now valuation class is AROH, we created from AROH only, and this is your price differences account. We need to create one more GL account now. Slash NFS00. So here you can create expenses. We already have this raw material consumption rate, just copy it. So here 3007, continue. So you can change the description to price difference. Click on save. Everything is same. Again, you are creating as all these details. Okay, primary cost and cost accounts. Now 3007. Assign the GL account here 3007. Control save. Continue. Okay, save. Now come back to the goods receipt transaction. So basically the reason why we are getting this error is there is a difference between price in purchase order and in the metal master. That's the reason. Okay, continue. But we have not faced such scenario. We have not come across this scenario during our moving prices scenario because system automatically average the price. That's it. Okay. So here click on check. So no issues now. That error has been resolved. Click on post. So you are getting one more error here. What is the error? 3007 requires a account assignment. So here we don't have any option to enter cost center here. Okay. account assignment, cost accounting account assignment. So where we need to enter then 3007, we in SAP has provided one more transaction called OKB9, where we can default the cost center for the GL accounts. New window, OKB9. Okay, so change automatic account assignment. We can default the cost center for the GL masters cost elements. Click on inventories. So what is our company code? AM01 and cost center 100. Click on save. Sorry, you have to give the cost element also. So for which GL account we are facing 3006 or 7? 3007 price reference account. Press enter. So continue. Save it. So already saved. Come back to the error option, error mode. Where we are? Here we are. So system is expecting one account assignment for the GL account since we created as an expense. Okay. So continue. So click on check again. That error should go away. Now this is fine. This is also looks good now. Click on post. So the document got posted 2526. So click on display mode. So continue. So he can see the document information. Click on FI documents. So you can see the difference here. So what it is saying here. So this 2500 is GRIR clearing coming from the 2500, but from the purchase order. Your purchase order, we purchased 5 units into 500, which is 2500, which is GRIR clearing account. Raw material, how much price we have? 300. So 300 into 5 quantity, 1500. The difference is 1000 rupees. The difference is going to difference account. Any any questions, guys? Is that clear? So in the material master we have 300 rupees. The quantity we purchased 5, 300 into 5, 1500. So from the purchase order, in the purchase order master we entered 500 for 5 quantity, which is 2500. But there is a difference between two. So there is a conflict between the price, right? Price entered in the purchase order, price entered in the raw material. So inventory to GRR account, this GRR account is coming from the goods receipt. At the time of goods receipt, we are taking from purchase order price. We are against purchase order, we are posting the GRIR, right? Goods receipt posted against purchase order. So it's picking the purchase order price. So you can see the transaction keys. This is coming from the BSX, this is coming from the PRD, and this is coming from the RX. These are the different transactions are coming from OBYC transactions. Sir, any questions? This is again very important. It's an interview question. They will ask you scenario. Then you should say that definitely the difference will go to the price difference account with PRD transaction key.
Okay.
Anything that you did not understood here? So, have you started configuring the FIMM, Khalil?
Started enough, but we have some
Okay,
error
we'll resolve
where
that
it's
error. We'll resolve that
yeah.
error. Okay. So now we posted one goods receipt. So let us post the same thing for the invoice also. Let us complete the process slash OMIRO. We'll see. So invoice is I'll post it with today's date only. So give some identification, some number. So don't enter anything here. Click on purchase order. You are posting against purchase order. What was the purchase order, sir? Anyone remember what was the purchase order?
Purchase order number, no? 45401928, I think.
So inventory raw material. No, this is your purchase order. Okay. From
Okay.
the you can check it from the inventory raw material or JIR also. It will get updated. So purchase order. Press enter. So system populates all the items here. Okay. Now click on OK and click. This is coming. Whatever the tax code we selected, it's coming automatically. So here click on calculate tax. So posting period is not open for 2024. Why? This is our company code. So fourth period slash OB 52. OB 52. So fourth current period is not opened. Huh? Till now we have posted, right? That is strange.
I think
Amazon,
someone changed.
maybe PPV, press enter. So it is indirect. Huh?
No.
PPVA, right? Posting period for
Yeah.
Amazon. So someone has changed. So we are posting for the inventory, right? So it should be fourth period, and it should be with vendor also fourth period. Someone has changed, sir. So K is vendor, M is material. So this is customer, this is asset. This is for GL account. This also it is 4 to 5. Now it should accept. Continue. So come back to the incoming invoice. Press enter. So now still I see some messages. Let us enter the value 2800 here. So now you can see, click on messages, business place. This is very frequently asking a message, right?
AMT.
AMT, press enter. Okay. So this business place we created the term of withholding tax, correct?
Yeah.
So click on, okay. Now I don't see any messages. Everything is fine. Click on simulate mode. So So your 2005 we purchased, this is from the purchase order. We are posting invoice against your purchase order. So 500 into 5 units 2500. So 2500 plus your IGST 12%, 25 into 12. So you can calculate accordingly. You're getting 300. Click on post. Okay, document got posted. I think display it is not possible. Continue. So MI R4 is your Miro display. Okay. Invoice document displays MIR4. Press enter. Go to the follow on documents. Okay. This is the document we got posted now. 2500 plus your taxes. Taxes is on 2500, which is 12%, which is 300. Yeah. 250 plus 50, 300. That's correct. So this is the enter processor. Okay. So it depends upon the business scenario. You will configure the transactions. Okay. So basically here different some hundreds of transaction keys are there. Based on the scenario, you will test the scenario, and based on the scenario, the system will ask you to enter the value. I mean GL account. You have many transactions are there. But as of now, what we had seen is we had seen purchase order and a goods receipt. This is movement type is purchase order 101 movement type, goods receipt against purchase order 101. And here we had seen PSX, we are assigning it to the inventory account transaction key, and also RX to the GRIR account. Okay, GRIR account. And also we had seen PRD, which is price difference during standard price. And also we had seen raw material consumption. Let me put it here, price difference. Okay, I'm coming in directly. So this is for the price difference. This is for price difference account. And we have one more, which is GBB. Under here we have one more sub key, which is VBR. Nothing but raw material consumption. Goods issued to the cost center department. Okay. So these are the different transaction keys, and this is your GL accounts. So based on this scenario, we need to assign the GL account to the respective transaction key. Okay. But you understood the logic, right? How FIMM integration works. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So just to practice whatever we have done. So in real time, if you see n number of scenarios, you should work accordingly as per the scenario. But the process again, post the purchase order, goods received, goods issue, post invoice, vendor invoice, the process will be the same. But the only thing is you should understand what is the scenario that you want to test. Okay, now I'm unsharing my screen. Tell me your issue.
Okay.
So because
Nagaraj.
okay, so I
Yeah, I
need to
think.
configure, I think, right? Because this
Yeah.
is my different system. I'm using my desktop,
Okay.
so I don't have this one. What do you say? Uh, SAP logon pad. So is it a remote desktop or it is
No, it's not remote desktop. No. Right.
okay?
Uh,
I'm stopping this recording.